Today I'm unboxing the new, out today, iPhone 16 Pro. Here's the box in all its glory. And if you're a millennial, you know, the box is just as important. I got the color Titanium Desert. Comes with a cord, a fabric cord. This is what the front looks like, and the back. It's a beautiful color. I thought from the picture it was going to be more gold, but I'm happier actually with this because it's more of a rose dusty kind of pink gold, but not in like a rose gold way. So I really like it. I'm excited for this camera. Again, this is the iPhone Pro, and I got 1 terabyte. So all the space you could get because I learned my lesson after all these years.